Are you a YouTuber trying to make money online and not seeing the results you want? Could it be because you're ignoring niche focus? This is a question that's worth pondering over. Niche focus, an often overlooked aspect, is crucial when it comes to YouTube success. It's like choosing your flavor in a grand ice cream shop. The more specific your flavor, the more you attract those who crave it. By choosing a niche, you're essentially creating a distinct identity, a unique brand for your channel. This not only helps you stand out in the sea of content, but also attracts a loyal audience who shares the same interests as you. Think about it. Would you subscribe to a channel that's all over the place, one day posting about travel, the next about cooking, and then suddenly about tech gadgets? Or would you rather follow a channel that consistently delivers content you're passionate about, say DIY crafts or indie music reviews? Chances are you'd go for the latter. That's the power of niche focus. But how does this increase your chance of monetization? Well, having a clear niche focus makes your channel more attractive to advertisers. They are more likely to invest in channels where they can reach a specific, targeted audience. It's a win-win situation. The advertisers reach their target market, and you get a slice of the revenue pie. Let's take some examples of successful YouTubers with a clear niche focus. Ever heard of Rosanna Pansino? She's made a name for herself by focusing on the niche of nerdy nummies, a unique blend of baking and pop culture. Or take MKBHD, who has amassed millions of followers with his laser focus on tech reviews. These YouTubers didn't just stumble upon success, they found their niche, stuck to it, and built an empire. So if you're a YouTuber looking to make money online, it's time to narrow down your focus. Find your niche. Embrace it. It might feel limiting at first, but it's the key to building a loyal audience and increasing your chances of monetization. Remember, a well-defined niche is a stepping stone to your YouTube success. Scene script. Are your videos not getting enough views or likes? Could it be because you're neglecting video quality and SEO? It's easy to overlook the importance of video quality and SEO when you're busy creating content. But let's get this straight. High-quality videos and effective SEO are not just about looking good or appearing first in search results. They're about visibility, audience retention, and ultimately, monetization. Let's start with video quality. In the world of YouTube, content is king, but the presentation is its crown. You might have the most compelling content in the world, but if it's presented in a low-quality video, viewers will click away faster than you can say like and subscribe. High-quality videos are more engaging, more shareable, and more likely to keep viewers watching till the end. This not only boosts your view count, it also increases the chances of your videos being recommended by YouTube's algorithm. Improving video quality doesn't have to mean investing in expensive equipment. Often, it's about paying attention to details like sound, lighting, and editing. Even a smartphone can produce excellent results with the right techniques. Now let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. This is all about making your videos discoverable. You see, YouTube isn't just a video platform, it's the world's second largest search engine. That means when people are looking for content like yours, you want to be at the top of their search results. That's where SEO comes in. By using the right keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you can help YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about and show it to the right people. But remember, effective SEO is not about stuffing your content with keywords. It's about understanding what your audience is searching for and delivering it in a way that's easy for them to find. So don't neglect video quality and SEO. They're not just boxes to tick on your content creation checklist. They're tools to help you reach more viewers, retain them for longer, and ultimately make more money from your YouTube channel. High-quality videos and smart SEO are not just options, they're necessities for your YouTube success. Are you serious about growing your YouTube channel and earning more? Well, if you've been nodding along to the mistakes we've been discussing, then I have something special for you. It's called the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, oh great, another course, hear me out. This course isn't about empty promises of overnight success or secret hacks only a select few know about. No, this course is about giving you practical guidance, proven strategies, and real-world examples to help you avoid common mistakes and accelerate your YouTube journey. It covers everything from content creation, SEO, and video quality to diversifying income streams and building a loyal community. It's a comprehensive guide designed to help you master the art of YouTubing and monetize your passion effectively. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned YouTuber looking to up your game, this course has something for you. And the best part, it's not just a one-and-done deal. You'll get ongoing updates and access to a community of fellow YouTubers who are on the same journey as you. So if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level, check out the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. You'll find more information and a special discount code in the video description below. Remember, YouTube success isn't about luck. It's about learning, implementing, and persevering. And this course could be the game changer you need. So go ahead, unleash your YouTube potential. You've got this. Scene script. Are you solely relying on ad revenue for your YouTube income? Could this be the reason for your stagnant earnings? Let's dive into the third big mistake YouTubers often make when trying to make money online: over-reliance on ad revenue. Now, don't get me wrong, ad revenue is a fantastic way to earn money on YouTube. It's relatively passive, often consistent, and let's face it, who doesn't love the sound of money ticking in while you sleep? But here's the catch. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Ad revenue is heavily dependent on factors beyond your control. Think about it. Your earnings are majorly affected by fluctuating ad rates, changes in viewer behavior, or even YouTube's ever-evolving algorithm. There's an inherent risk in placing all your eggs in one basket. And in this case, that basket is ad revenue. So what's the solution? Well, it's simple. Diversify your income sources. This not only reduces your risk, but also opens up potential streams of income that might even outperform your ad revenue. Consider sponsorships. They're a great way to earn income while also providing valuable content to your audience. You can partner with brands that align with your niche and values, creating a win-win situation. What about merchandise? If you've built a loyal audience, they might be interested in purchasing products that enhance their connection with you. This could range from t-shirts and mugs to digital products like ebooks or courses. And let's not forget crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow your most dedicated fans to support you financially, often in exchange for exclusive content or experiences. Take the case of Marques Brownlee, a tech YouTuber. While he earns a significant amount from ad revenue, he also collaborates with tech companies for sponsorships and has his own line of merchandise. Or Jenna Marbles, who, along with ad revenue, has her own merchandise and a Patreon account for her podcast. These YouTubers have created multiple income streams, ensuring their financial stability even if one source dips. Diversifying your income sources is a smart strategy for long-term YouTube success. And remember, it's not about replacing ad revenue, but complementing it. After all, financial success on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Have you ever wondered why some YouTube channels grow at a rapid pace while others struggle to gain traction? Could it be because of a missing call to action? Now let's move on to the fifth common mistake that YouTubers often make: neglecting the power of a strong call to action. A call to action, or CTA, is a prompt that encourages viewers to take a specific action. This could be subscribing to your channel, liking your video, sharing it, or maybe even checking out your merchandise or Patreon page. CTAs are crucial because they guide your viewers towards the next step you want them to take. They can drastically increase your subscriber count, video likes, and overall engagement. So, how do you create a compelling CTA? Here are a few pointers. First, be clear and direct. If you want viewers to subscribe, ask them to hit the subscribe button. If you want them to like your video, ask them to give it a thumbs up. Don't beat around the bush. Second, explain the benefits. Why should they subscribe or like your video? Will they get more valuable content? Will they join a supportive community? Make sure to highlight the value they'll receive. Third, make your CTA timely. The best time to ask for a subscription or a like is usually at the end of the video, after you provided value and built trust. However, you can also experiment with mid-video CTAs, especially if your audience retention rate drops towards the end. And finally, make your CTA engaging. Instead of a bland, "please subscribe," try something more engaging like "join our community for more awesome content." Remember, a strong call to action can be a game changer for your YouTube channel's growth, so don't forget to incorporate it into your videos. Scene script. Are you not seeing growth in your subscriber count? Could it be because you're ignoring community engagement? One of the biggest mistakes YouTubers often make when trying to make money online is sidelining community engagement. It's an easy error to make, especially when you're focused on creating content and optimizing your channel. But here's the thing. YouTube isn't just a platform for video content, it's a social media platform that thrives on engagement. Imagine walking into a store where the staff ignores you, never asks if you need help, or fails to acknowledge your presence. You'd probably leave and never come back, right? The same principle applies to YouTube. If you're not engaging with your viewers, they're likely to click away and never return. Community engagement is the key to building an audience that's loyal, active, and willing to support you financially. It's about creating a sense of belonging, a community where everyone feels included and valued. This isn't just about responding to comments on your videos, although that's certainly part of it. It's about creating a two-way conversation, getting to know your viewers and letting them get to know you. You might wonder, how do I engage with my community effectively? Well, there are several ways. First, actively respond to comments on your videos. Show appreciation for positive feedback and address any criticisms or questions in a constructive manner. Second, consider creating content that encourages interaction. This could be a Q&A video where you answer viewer questions, a challenge video where you invite viewers to participate, or even a live stream where you can interact in real time. Third, involve your audience in your content creation process. Ask for their input on what kind of videos they'd like to see, or run polls to decide on your next video topic. This gives your viewers a sense of ownership and investment in your channel. Lastly, don't forget about social media. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook are great for expanding your community and interacting with your audience in a more casual, personal way. Engaging with your community isn't just nice to do, it's crucial for your YouTube success. Scene script. Are you feeling frustrated with your slow YouTube growth? Could it be because of your impatience and inconsistency? Now let's talk about the final, yet incredibly crucial mistake that many YouTubers make when trying to make money online: impatience and inconsistency. You see, building an online presence and a successful YouTube channel is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires time, effort, and most importantly, patience. You might have heard the phrase, "Rome wasn't built in a day." The same goes for your YouTube channel. It takes time to build a loyal audience. It takes time to create quality content. And it certainly takes time to see the fruits of your labors. So if you're feeling frustrated because you're not seeing immediate results, remember this. Success on YouTube is a long-term commitment. And this brings us to our next point: inconsistency. Inconsistency can be a silent killer of your YouTube channel. If you're not regularly uploading content, your viewers may forget about you. And in the world of YouTube, out of sight often means out of mind. Your viewers come to you for a reason. They like your content, they like your personality, they like what you bring to the table. And if you're inconsistent with your uploads, they might feel disappointed and move on to other channels. So, consistency is key. But how can you maintain consistency without burning out? Well, here are a few tips. First, create a content calendar. This will help you plan your videos in advance and stick to a regular upload schedule. Second, don't overcommit. It's better to upload one quality video per week than 3 subpar videos. And finally, manage your expectations. Don't expect overnight success. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your YouTube channel. Patience and consistency are the keys to your YouTube success. Keep going and you'll see results. Having understood the pitfalls of impatience and inconsistency, let's delve into the virtues of their opposites. Consistency and patience are the true keys to your YouTube success. As we've established, your YouTube channel is a long-term project, not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about delivering value to your audience, creating content that they love, and building a community around your channel. Consistency in this context means sticking to a regular upload schedule and maintaining the quality of your content. Patience, on the other hand, means understanding that success won't come overnight. It's about being persistent, staying motivated, and not giving up when things get tough. So, how can you cultivate these virtues? Here are a few tips. First, set realistic goals for your channel. Don't expect to hit 1 million subscribers in your first month. Instead, focus on creating quality content and gradually building your audience. Second, learn from your mistakes. If a video doesn't perform well, don't get discouraged. Analyze what went wrong and use that knowledge to improve your future content. Finally, celebrate your small victories. Every new subscriber, every positive comment, every share. These are all signs that you're on the right track. Celebrate these moments and use them as motivation to keep going. Remember, your YouTube journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, be patient, and success will come. So stick around and review more of my value-packed videos on making money online for more valuable content. You'll find plenty of tips, tricks, and strategies to help you grow your YouTube channel and turn your passion into profit.